Please? Please?
So how are you gonna seductively lift the chocolate off your face?
Okay, I thought you were going to say chair. I was like, how are you going to seductively lick the chair? What are you talking about? Hi.
Let's do it again. Come on. Come on, y'all. Come on. Shut up.
Hey Shane, look over here. Move the paper. Please? For me?
Remove the paper from your anus. And
A
then
normal
speak.
face, please? Please? That was a sexy one, Jess. This is really sexy. Really? And how many kids do they have again?
Who?
The people.
What people?
I don't know.
7.
Hey Jessica, so how's the chipmunk go? Stop speaking in tongues.
No, that's dubbed over.
I'm a chipmunk. I'm a dead chipmunk. I think I just spit.
I toilet water for you.
Really? Since when?
Right before Shane went, Pop Buddy!
Pop Potty?
Pop Buddy!
Oh, look, it's Shane being productive. Way to go.
Studious. Get it right.
Okay, keeping studious. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
You're gonna fall out the window.
She's expelling gas through her anus.